This twin-size Homemate Electric Heated Blanket combines a generously sized design with very soft double-sided flannel that feels cozy even before you turn it on. The heating elements are impressively unobtrusive, so you barely feel the wires while still getting even warmth from edge to edge. With 10 distinct heat settings and an automatic shutoff after 8 hours, it is easy to dial in a comfortable temperature and then fall asleep without worrying about turning it off. The blanket uses advanced safety features, including overheat protection and certification from independent testing organizations, which inspires confidence for nightly use. Intelligent temperature regulation helps it maintain steady warmth without constantly running at full power, making it a more efficient alternative to cranking up the room heat. The detachable controller and machine washable design make routine cleaning straightforward, so the blanket stays fresh and comfortable through regular use.